Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how you apply for Bihang University CSC Scholarship 2020. So the scholarship admission has been started in Bihang University. Came forward to how you apply for this. So another three universities has also started admission for CSC scholarships. So I will tell you as admission is started, but as I have free time, then I will tell you how you apply for this. So first today I will discuss about Bihang University. If you have acceptance, you can apply with acceptance. If you don't have any acceptance, then also apply, but try to get acceptance in every university. So you can apply in 3 universities on B category and 2 universities on A category. So now come forward to the application material, and this is the qualification criteria for master. Your age must be in 35 age. It was 35 years, and for bachelor master degree, PhD degree, sorry, your age is 40 years. So now documents which documents required to send in duplicate, means 2 sets you make. So what's the required documents? First, you must fill the CSE online application form. How you fill this form, I also give the link in description. So how you fill this form. Okay, now the second point is highest education diploma notarized photocopy. If you don't get your degree yet and you are studying in your universities, then make a provisional certificate from your host university. And now third one is a notarized highest diploma, and fourth one is study plan. How you make study plan, I also make a video on this on my previous videos. So check my YouTube channel. No less than 500 words. Your research plan not be less than 500 words. So make it 800 words minimum, I suggest you. So fifth, in the recommendation letter from professor or associate professor in which you are graduated previously, university graduated. So, and the sixth one is the TOEFL, IELTS, and or other English proficiency certificate. English proficiency certificate is enough to apply in this university, but they mentioned that you must have TOEFL, etc. These kind of that's just the right. So if you don't have HSK, IELTS, HSK, then you can apply in this university. So photocopy of physical examination form. How you fill the physical examination form, I also make a video on this. And photocopy of remittance bill. You must pay 400 RMB application fee, or $70. So you must pay before submitting the application. When you send your documents to university, then the fee slip of the 400 yuan, 400 RMB is must attached with your documents. So how you fill this form, how you submit the fee in bank. This is the bank detail of the Bihang University. So apply, fill the fee in your country, or send, or ask your friends in China. Who is in China, you pay yourself, for you. So, and now came to the next point, resume. You must have resume, CV, and curriculum vitae, or in other words. So you prepare your CV, or 3 to 4 pages, it is enough for you. Photocopy of passport, list of application documents, and address confirmed. Which documents are required. This is a checklist for the documents. So now came to if you want to ask, if you want to check your frequently asked questions which our student ask from the university, then you can check this. But this is the document checklist. Fill the application form, fill your information here as you have, and this is the document checklist. This is all required documents to the university. Attach with this print of this form, and click on check option, and which documents you attached. And you also see that you must pay the fee of 1400 RMB. Okay, and other documents like acceptance letter and police clearance certificate, and other certificates which you send, you should think that this will increase your chance for scholarship. And please write your admission letter, delivery address, and contacts. Delivery address means in which you delivered. Okay, and now came forward to the this is a frequently asked questions. You can click on one of them. You can check that the frequently asked question which the student asked from this. You must they also mention that when you apply on Chinese government scholarship, you don't apply at the same time on Bihang University website. So you just fill online application form of CSE application, CSE on CSE portal. Don't fill the university portal form, and documents also be sent to the university, and you must pay the 400 RMB application fee. And which address you send your documents to the university. This is the address of the university, and and what is the last deadline for this university? The deadline is 29th February 2020 will be proceeded. If your documents will be received after that deadline, your application will not be submitted. So try to apply as soon as possible. I'll suggest to make your documents complete and apply for this, and the result will be announced in 15th of August. A successful candidate get the bill. So this is the overview of the Bihang University scholarship. So if as admission started in different universities, I will tell, and in after that I will make on video on three another universities which have started CSE application scholarship for 2020, and provisional scholarship also started in one of the university. So I will make a complete video on this. If you would have any problem how you fill the form, how you make your documents and other things, you will type your comment on in the comment box on this in this video, and I will inshallah I will make solve this problem, solve your problem. So hope so you like the video, and met you in the next video. Stay blessed and good luck.